Time management for students and professionals. Time management is planning, prioritizing, and allocating your time effectively to achieve your goals and responsibilities. For students and professionals, managing time is crucial for maintaining productivity, reducing stress, and achieving success. With increasing demands in academic and work environments, mastering time management skills can make the difference between falling behind and excelling. This article explores the importance of time management, common challenges, proven strategies, and tools to help students and professionals optimize their time. Why is time management important? 1. Increases productivity. Effective time management ensures you focus on high-priority tasks, helping you complete them efficiently without wasting time on less critical activities. 2. Reduces stress. When you manage your time well, you can meet deadlines and avoid the anxiety caused by last-minute rushes or incomplete tasks. 3. Enhances focus. By allocating time for specific tasks, you can concentrate fully on the task at hand, reducing distractions and improving the quality of your work. 4. Achieves work-life balance. Time management allows you to balance academic or professional responsibilities with personal and social commitments, fostering overall well-being. 5. Builds discipline and confidence. Constantly managing your time helps you develop discipline, which boosts confidence as you achieve your goals systematically. Common challenges in time management. 1. Procrastination. Tasks can lead to increased pressure as deadlines approach. Procrastination often results from fear of failure, lack of motivation, or distractions. 2. Overcommitment. Taking on too many tasks without considering your capacity can lead to burnout and lower productivity. 3. Lack of prioritization. Choose clear priorities. Spending time on less essential activities is easy while neglecting critical ones. 4. Poor planning. Failing to plan your day or week can result in missed deadlines, overlapping responsibilities, and wasted time. 5. Distraction. Social media, unnecessary meetings, and interruptions can disrupt your focus and reduce efficiency. Effective time management strategies. 1. Set clear goals. Establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals helps you stay focused on what's important. For students, break down academic goals into manageable tasks, such as completing a chapter or studying for an hour. For professionals, define your daily or weekly objectives, like finishing a project or preparing a presentation. 2. Prioritize tasks. Use frameworks like the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Urgent and important. Do these tasks immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule these tasks. Urgent but not important. Delegate if possible. Not urgent or important. Eliminate these tasks. 3. Plan your day. Use time blocks. Allocate specific time slots for different activities, such as study sessions, meetings, or breaks. Start with the hardest task. Tackle your most challenging task first, also known as eating the frog, when your energy and focus are highest. 4. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to maintain quality and efficiency. Multitasking can reduce productivity and increase the likelihood of errors. 5. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer. Use tools like website blockers, for example. Freedom. Stay focused to minimize access to distracting sites during work or study. 6. Take regular breaks. Follow techniques like the Pomodoro Technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a more extended break. Short breaks help prevent burnout and maintain focus. 7. Learn to say no. Avoid overcommitting. By assessing whether you have the time and resources to take on additional responsibilities, politely decline tasks that don't align with your priorities. 8. Delegate or outsource. For students, share responsibilities in group projects or ask for guidance when needed. For professionals, delegate tasks to colleagues or assistants to free up time for higher priority work. 9. Review and reflect. At the end of each day or week, review your progress. Ask yourself, did I achieve my goals? What went well, and what can I improve? Use this reflection to adjust your plans for the next day or week. Time management tools and techniques. 1. To-do lists. Create daily or weekly to-do lists to keep track of your tasks. Use tools like Todoist, Microsoft To Do, or a notebook. 2. Calendar. Schedule tasks, deadlines, and appointments using digital calendars like Google Calendar or Outlook. Set reminders to stay on track. 3. Project management tools. Use apps like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to organize projects and collaborate with teams. 4. Time tracking tools. Tools like Toggle or Clockify help monitor how you spend your time and identify inefficiencies. 5. Task automation: automate repetitive tasks using tools like Zapier or IFTTT to save time. 6. Focus apps like Forest, Focus at Will, or Rescue Time help you stay focused and reduce distractions. Time management tips for students. 1. Create a study schedule. Allocate dedicated study hours for each subject, ensuring a balanced focus on all areas. 2. Set milestones. Break assignments or projects into smaller tasks with specific deadlines. 3. Use flashcards and summaries for efficient learning. Summarize key points or use flashcards to reinforce concepts quickly. 4. Prepare for exams early. Start studying weeks in advance to avoid cramming and ensure better retention. 5. Balance academics and extracurricular activities that align with your goals while leaving time for relaxation and socializing. Time management tips for professionals. 1. Plan your week on Sunday. Spend 15-30 minutes planning key tasks and deadlines at the start of the week. 2. Set work boundaries. Avoid overextending your work hours. Define a clear end to your workday to maintain a work-life balance. 3. Focus on high-impact activities. Identify tasks that have the most significant impact on your goals and prioritize them. 4. Communicate effectively. As concise emails, clear instructions, and effective meetings to save time and avoid misunderstandings. 5. Leverage professional development. Allocate time for skills training or networking to advance your career. The role of time management in work-life balance. Managing time effectively allows students and professionals to spend quality time with family and friends, pursue hobbies or personal interests, maintain physical and mental health through regular exercise, proper sleep, and mindfulness practices. Individuals can sustain long-term productivity and happiness by balancing responsibilities and personal life. The cost of poor time management. Failing to manage time effectively can lead to 1. Missed deadlines. Failing to complete tasks on time can damage your academic or professional reputation. 2. Increased stress. Last-minute rushes and accumulated tasks create unnecessary pressure. 3. Lower productivity. To spend too much time on trivial activities reduces overall efficiency. 4. Burnout. Overworking without proper rest can lead to physical and mental exhaustion. 5. Missed opportunities. Poor time management can prevent you from seizing new opportunities or exploring your potential. Case studies. Time management in action. 1. A student's perspective. A university student, Maria, struggled with balancing her studies, part-time job, and social life. By implementing a time-blocking schedule and using the Pomodoro Technique, she improved her grades by dedicating focused study sessions to each subject, reduced stress by managing her time efficiently, balanced her commitments without compromising her personal life. 2. A professional's perspective. James, a marketing manager, found himself overwhelmed by meetings and deadlines. By prioritizing tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix and delegating responsibilities, he completed high-priority projects ahead of schedule, reduced unnecessary meetings, freeing up time for strategic planning, achieved better work-life balance, improving his overall productivity and well-being. Developing a time management mindset. 1. Start small. Begin with minor changes, like creating a daily to-do list or using a calendar. To be flexibly adapt to unexpected changes while keeping your long-term goals in mind. 3. Celebrate progress. Recognize and reward yourself for achieving milestones, no matter how small. 4. Commit to continuous improvement. Regularly assess your time management strategies and refine them as needed. Conclusion. Time management is a vital skill for both students and professionals. By setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and using practical tools, you can maximize productivity, reduce stress, and achieve a fulfilling balance between work, academics, and personal life. The key lies in consistent practice and a willingness to adapt as circumstances evolve. Start implementing these strategies today, and take control of your time for a more prosperous and balanced future.